G'day, ladies! Did they look? Street racing isn't just about driving, it's about heaps of stuff. You know, it's about like traffic lights, car parks, and most importantly, the ladies. Cheers. What's your number? Street racing's the best place to pick up. Me and Dad met Mum out on the blocky route one night. He was just driving around being a legend. She worked at the bottom load. Mum always says it was love at first sight. Dad said he just wanted to get a route in the Kmart car park. Yeah, so I've decided to show the Barina a bit of love, because trust me, there is nothing a girl wouldn't do in the back of a modified car.
So do you have a girlfriend?
Oh, no, I actually broke up with my girlfriend Stacey 6 months ago. It was my decision, I ended it. Don't know if you can tell, but like I've gone and done the upholstery all myself. Just $4 from Spotlight, staple gun, easy. This is where it all started for me. Parking bay 74. That's where I was conceived. Most cars out on the blocky route always have a 6 sound system. You don't see this every day. DJ decks. Just when I got a couple of birds out here hanging out and stuff. Mum got them for me for Christmas. Watch this. We get the girls back here. I've got tons of stuff here, man. Check it out. Ready? You're gonna love this, man. Look at this. Ariana Grande CD, couple of drinks for when we get to it. 32 pack.
You do know what those are for.
Yeah. Most importantly, Paul Walker. I used to have it up front, but I just kept getting too emotional. Man. Check out all the hotties here tonight. Yeah, no, it's probably better that me and Stacey aren't together now, to be honest. It just means I've got heaps more free time to do stuff. So this is what I get up to most nights. Just getting out on the town, showing the ladies a good time. Yeah, I didn't get any action in the end, but that's all right. It's just like that. You know, some nights you pick up, some nights you just end up DJing by yourself outside a nightclub for 3 hours. Yeah, at least the modifications are looking sick. Oh shit, that's bright. Someone's having a party.